Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Anjun Suryawiyandi with ID number 205-25007. And in this opportunity, I will retell a story from book that the title is Animal Farm. Okay, so let's begin the story. It all starts with Old Major speech. So Old Major is like there is a farm, and Old Major is like the older animal in that communities of farm, and he's like become the a very wise animal that lead to other animal to doing a good thing. And in that speech, Old Major said that every animal should live equally and they have to live together. And uh, he he believed that someday all of the animals can live equally and not getting manipulated by humans. And by the time Old Major died, but his dream is still alive inside of all of the animal in that farm. Until some days, a human in that farm's name Mr. Jones forget to feed all of the animals in the village, and they doing a revolution because they want a freedom. They want a freedom from human. They want to live free and have a equal rights to live like another uh, creatures. So all of the animal in that farms being led by Snowball and Napoleon, and two of Napoleon or Napoleon and Snowball are also a pig, and they lead the revolution and take the farm from Mr. Jones and naming the farm Animal Farms. And then after they doing that revolution, they make seven uh, they make a seven rules that all of the animals in that farm should follow, and all of the rules is basically talk about equality of lives and how can they live equal each other as an animal, and they uh, don't have to act like a human, like drinking alcohol and wearing a clothes. They cannot do that because they are animals. And all of the progress in the farm is really great. uh, the farm is grow well and all of the animals live peacefully. And then until the time comes that Napoleon and in this condition there is a power struggle between Napoleon and Snowball, because Snowball is having a lot of ideas that making the making the farm is growing better, and Napoleon is kind of scared of that power of Snowball. So he make a strategies to defeat the Snowball and making him the only leader in that farm. And in these pictures, you can see that Snowball is training two dogs from that farm to attack. Napoleon training two dogs in that farm to attack Snowball. And after Napoleon trained them, uh, the dogs is attacking the dogs are attacking Snowball, and Snowball is afraid and go from that farm. And after that, making Napoleon is the only leader in that farm. And after that, after Napoleon become the only leader, he changed the rule that in the beginning the rule is there is a 7 rule that all of animals should follow. But after Napoleon being the only leader in that farm, he changed the rule. In the last rule, say that all animals are equal, but he adds some word. But some animals are more equal than others, and he's being a dictator in that farm and making a lot of uh, not good bad decision to manage their farm. And there is still a animal that still loyal to the farm. The name is Boxer. So Boxer is like yeah, as you can see, Boxer is a horse, and he is a really hardworking animal. But because even though Napoleon decision is bad, uh, Boxers still believe that anything is good for their farm. So Napoleon is manipulated Boxer and just taking the advantage from Boxer hard work until someday Boxer getting sick, and Napoleon said that he will send Boxer to a hospital, but actually he sent a Boxer to like horse meat export. And after that, Boxer is gone from that farm, and yeah, there is no right in the farm. In the last condition, Napoleon and all of the pig act like human, and they being like a dictator in that farm. That this is a really bad thing that Napoleons do, because at the first they talk about they talk about that all of the animals should live equal, but when he become the leader in that farm, he is betraying all of the animal in that farm. And this is really sad when we look for another animal in that farms that being manipulated by Napoleon. And the moral value is we have to make sure that uh, all of our decision is good, being wise at deciding something. And then also when you have a power, when you have a ability to manage something, to do something, don't use it for manipulating others, because we have to being kind, we have to being wise, because all of the creatures is built same. So we have to believe that everything can be lived equally, and that is the moral value from this story. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.